Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600. Concept is pronoun and parallelism. We will discuss both shortcut and detailed approach. So let us discuss shortcut first, and after that we will discuss approach. See, it says the blue whale has long, streamlined body and its head making up almost 1/4 of their total body. So because whenever there is its or their, it's a test of pronoun. So because it is talking about the blue whale singular, and that is why it should be only it. Their part out, a out, e out, and even b out. Left with a and c and d. Almost 1/4 of total length of its body is its head. It means 1/4 is its head. So streamline and 1/4 not matches, and that is why option C out, D becomes best option. What if we discuss in detail concept? In that case, look, the blue whale has long streamlined body and its head making up almost 1/4 of their total body length. Same point, that whenever noun is singular, in that case we should use singular pronoun. So it is singular pronoun, alright, but there is plural pronoun, and there cannot be used for any singular noun. Second, except human being we use it. If it is human being, he and she. So the blue whale body length, the blue whale total body length, so it should be its total body length, right? And that is why option A out. Now option B, almost 1/4 of their total body. So their total body means blue whale's total body, and that is why option B out. Option C, almost 1/4. Look here, parallel marker. And is parallel marker, so before and it is body, alright, and second side it is 1/4. No parallelism. Body and head will be the parallel. Alright, so this is the parallelism error. Option C out. Now option D, a head that makes up almost 1/4 of its total body length. So body and head, parallelism, pronoun, it's fine because it is talking about well. So D is one of the best option. Now let us move to option E. So option E is a head making up almost 1/4 of the total length of their bodies. Same pronoun error because we are talking about blue whale's body, and that's why it should be its body. Second, body is no, because we are talking about singular blue whale, single blue whale. That is why bodies should not be used. It should be body. So noun error 2, option E out, D becomes best option.